God, my bangs are so hard to stay with bobby pins. Today's look is inspired by my juice. Okay. It's actually inspired by Venus XL2. I'm gonna play with some greens and some earthy tones. Just get really earthy. Goddess. Gorgeous. I don't want perfect eyebrows for this look, so I'm just gonna go with the Kelley Baker brow, the clear one, to just the gel. Just brush up my brows. Jane Iredale moisturizer. My skin is so thirsty right now. I never get dry patches, and I have a dry patch on my chin. I want them to look very bushy. Like very intentionally bushy. Preferably, I do not use primer on my eyelids, but rather I use foundation. However, since I don't want to put a lot of foundation, I'm just going to use the Urban Decay Potion Primer for your lids. I'm going to shape my eye to go out that way. With a smaller brush and the lightest green color, I'm just going to shape my eye just to see like what I'm really doing, getting myself into. And it'll be easier to clean as opposed to going in with a dark color. This would also be a good idea to like outline with an eyeliner, but I don't have a green eyeliner and I don't want to go through that mess. It's kind of easier to do when you look down, so I'm looking at a mirror right now. I definitely want to cover all of my eyelid, and then from the end of it bring it out. So to easily measure, it's the end of my outer corner all the way to the end of my brow bone, and then I'm making like, I don't even know what shape this is, like that. So when I open my eye, it looks like that. Again, this is like a rough outline, but that's the gist of it. Using just like a shitty triangle sponge just to like clean up the shape. And then now, let's go off. Then the shade Locust, it's like a green with some blue sparkle in it. And I'm going to just darken out the edge. Kind of round it out. With a clean brush, I'm just going to start blending out. I'm going to darken this. The darker brown, I'm just softening out the edge, buffing it out. I want the shape of this to be more precise, so I'm gonna use the micellar water with a Q-tip and just clean it up a lot because I went a little messy. This is definitely the intended shape that I wanted, but you know, just sometimes you get a little carried away with brushes and stuff. I want to look an earthy goddess that just came from the ground, so I want my skin to look dewy and gorgeous using the Cover FX drops. I love oil. I love what it does to skin. I always put some before my foundation. The custom blots. This was so not intentional, but everything I'm using right now for my face is Cover FX. Like this brush, the oil, the foundation I'm about to use. I guess I just love Cover FX. I'm mostly using the foundation to cover the little red spots I have from when I had crazy acne. We're working on them. They're slowly disappearing. I love how glowy and beautiful this looks. My bags are just always disrespecting me. For this look, I really want a harsh green line, like very dramatic under my eye. So I'm gonna wet my brush and dip it in a really pretty green color called Ivy, and it has some like pink sparkles in it. It's so pretty. Then with this Pixi liner, and look how cute, it literally matches this look. It's like a earthy brown, green. This color, it's called Rose Glow. It kind of looks like a metallic-y brown in my waterline. God, my eyes get so teary when I do. I'm just adding more green because I really want this to look dramatic. My eyes can't stop watering. Before anything else, I'm going to set my face. This is the best primer water. Photo Finish Primer Water is the best setting spray ever. I never do a brown lip, so we're going to try a brown lip. And first, gonna outline. This is really just the look. Okay, I found this color in my bunch of lipsticks and I don't remember ever using it, so let's give it a shot because I couldn't find another brown color. And this one is by Maybelline and it's called Coffee Addiction. After I've applied the lipstick, I usually like to like pat it down just so it doesn't look so heavy and it like settles in the crevices of my lips. I'm feeling I need a little bit of warmth to my face. I'm going to use, this is my foundation that I use in the summer, but I am so pale right now in comparison to like how dark I get in the summer. It's on my face. So this is a good alternative for just, you know, a little bronzer. I'm just dab it in with my beauty blender. I hope you enjoyed this earthy goddess look. My hair is so annoying. Bangs are crazy. Like, neutral, beautiful, revamp your beauty routine with some greens and browns, you know.